We're here in London for the Huawei Mate 20 series launch. The Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro, they'll both go on sale in Australia on November the 1st. These two devices offer world-first technologies and a whole new layer of artificial intelligence that will offer the customer a brand new user experience. The Mate 20 Pro has a triple Leica camera system. Now, Huawei had already laid claim to having the world's best smartphone camera with the P20 Pro, according to DxOMark, but I think this is going to give it a run for its money. There's a 40 megapixel, 20 megapixel and 8 megapixel lens that all combine to provide some amazing shots. Now, on top of that, artificial intelligence comes into play so that it can examine various scenarios and even recognize 5,000 objects across 25 categories and come up with the optimal color and aperture settings so you come up with the perfect shot, and saves you having to do any editing once you're done. One of the great new features of the Mate 20 Pro is the in-screen fingerprint reader. There's no button to read your fingerprint, there's no home button, there's no rear sensor. The fingerprint is actually read through the screen. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro has one of the biggest batteries in its class, a 4200 milliamp hour battery. And when it's time to recharge, you can get up to 70% capacity after just 30 minutes of charging. That can be a real lifesaver if you're in a hurry. That's enough charge to last an entire day. But it doesn't end there. The Mate 20 Pro also has reverse charging, so you can wirelessly charge another device simply by placing it on the back of the Mate 20 Pro. Now, if there's a friend of yours in need of a bit of charge, you can come to the rescue. The Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro will both go on sale in Australia on November the 1st. The Mate 20 will be priced at $1,099, while the Mate 20 Pro will be $1,599. Huawei is already the world's #2 smartphone manufacturer, and with devices like these, that's sure to be consolidated, if not improved.